how to create apps that make you money every single day, AppyGEN App's course training. And hello everyone, my name is Christopher Wilson, self-proclaimed mobile app mogul, and this is the money part. What we're going to learn is how to monetize our apps so we can make the money. Show me the money, I got it titled up here. And that's taking a reference from an old movie, like in the 90s, Jerry Maguire. Cuba Gooding signs a big contract and he's telling his agent to show me the money. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. This video is part of a playlist. Go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and hit that bell notification right now so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And like I said, this is an exciting part for me because I'm going to show you how to make the money. If you look on my channel, you can see I got a video here with 1 month. I made $16,941.71. So that's what you can make with Admob. Not saying you. Let me make a disclaimer. Okay, it all depends on your work and what you do and how you do it. And you know, you put the work in, you can make an income like that. I've had multiple 5-figure earnings months, and like I said, the money is there with Admob. And interstitial ads and banner ads is what's running on your apps. I showed you in the earlier videos when we made our Neon Wolf keyboard that apps with I said I like how the apps the ads are showing. So you got the interstitial ads with your full page ads, and the banner ads run at the bottom. Okay. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and show me the money. Now, first of all, you're going to need to set up an Admob account, okay, which is number 1 here. Okay, and we're going to show you how to monetize the app, where to put your publisher and app IDs, and how to get your banner and interstitial IDs, and where to put them in on your AppyGEN app. Okay, and then we're going to do a test run and see if the ads are running. But first, you're going to need to get an Admob account. So what you can simply do is, you know, just type Admob in your, let's type Admob. Then we're going to click on the Admob link, and I'm going to put it in the description box. Okay, so let's click on Admob, and you there's 2 ways to do this. You can sign in with one of your Gmail accounts, or you can sign up for a new account. New accounts typically take about 2 days for them to approve you, but more than likely you will get approved. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in to one of my only Admob account because you're only allowed to have one. If they catch you with 2 or more, they can ban your account. Yeah, we don't want that to happen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And logging in is just as simple as signing into your Gmail account. Okay, so we have this account up and going. Let's go to my apps. Okay, all right, now first of all, we're going to need to get our publisher ID, and that'll be right here. Okay, so just click in the top icon, right hand side. Let's go ahead and grab that. We just want the pub ID part and copy it. Now we're going to go to AppyGEN, and I'm going to log in, and we're going to log into the practice account, and I already set it up. What is that? Uh-oh. Okay, I don't know what that was that showed up there, but anyway, what you're going to have to do first is go to your account settings tab. See right here? Click that. And you're going to add your publisher ID right here where it says Add My Publisher ID. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, I already did it, so I don't have to do it again. Okay, and right now, Admob is the only ad network that AppyGEN uses. Now, I talked to support and the development team, and they said they were going to work. Well, they're working on getting some more monetization options besides Admob, because you know, sometimes the AdMob doesn't want to play nice with others, and you know, they can get kind of tedious and hectic. But anyway, so anyway, now we're going to go to our app or apps. Now, the monetization part, we're just going to go right here and click monetization and click add settings. Now, this we've seen this already. If you don't have an AdMob account, they want you to use theirs, but we have ours now. We're going to make ours, but we're going to add our. Let's see, let's check to see if our publisher ID is there. Okay, tick this box to make sure you got AdMob and your publisher ID is good. All right, good. Now, I'm going to take these off for now because those are no good. So, got that done. Okay, now let's go ahead and set up our ad units. So, close some tabs here. Let's go to apps. Okay, we're going to add app. Okay, have you published your app on Google Play Store yet? I'm going to tick no, and I usually tick no because I haven't set it up yet. I want to see if the ads are running, so no, that's fine. And it says enter the app information. The app name is Neon Wolf keyboard thing. Right? Okay. It's going to be on the Android platform. Okay. Click Add. And that's going to be your app ID. Now, we don't necessarily need the app ID. All we need is the banner ID and the interstitial ID. Okay. Right. So, let's go ahead and click Create Unit. But you can just put this on your app, on your description template if you want. Matter of fact, let's just do that. So we'll go to our description template and remember, you can use your description template to add on your monetization information and so Neon Wolf. Okay, I don't see my hold on one second. Okay, my apologies for that. I had to find my description template for our app, and I found it. Okay, now you can take this, and remember this description template, I got a place for that too. Admob ID, banner, yeah. So you can just put that there if you want. But like I said, we really don't use that. Okay, but anyway, let's just put it on there anyway, just to keep continuity of things, okay? So let's go ahead and create ad unit. Okay, now first we're going to select banner. Okay, so go ahead and select banner. Alrighty, and we're going to type in, well, we can just copy or type it in. I'm just a copy and paste guy. Banner, Neon Wolf theme. Oops. Okay, Neon Wolf theme. That's so we know it's a banner ad. And what I do, I go to advanced settings, I go to custom. This is what I do. I rate this right around 30. So we'll just say 35 seconds. That means it's going to show an ad under banner every 35 seconds. Google Optimize wants it to go to like 120 seconds, but I like 35. Okay, create ad unit. Okay, and wherever you see this banner thing is, the banner icon, we're going to copy that. Go back to AppyGEN, where it says banner code. Guess what? We can place that banner right there. Okay, now let's go back to AdMob. We're going to create another ad unit, Interstitial. Okay, those are the full page ads, and that's where you get the money. We don't do anything for advanced settings, at least I don't. I just leave that like it is. Let's copy that interstitial there. Okay, and Neon Wolf keyboard. Keep everything labeled nice and neat. Continuity. So Therefore, you know that's your interstitial ad for your Neon Wolf keyboard. Click Create Ad Unit. Okay, we're going to grab it right here. Now, literally, like I said, you can really set this up in 5 minutes, as you can see. And actually, we're done. But what I'm going to do is paste it first. Okay. All right. There. All right. Go ahead and click Done. Okay. And this is the ad unit. Now, once you get your app on the Google Play Store, what you're going to do is add it, like what says App View. No, Add Units, I think. No, App Settings. Okay, you got to link it. If you want to link it to Firebase, you can, but if not, don't worry about it. But where it says right here, not linked to Google Play, what you got to do is, once you get it on Google Play, you have to search for it and link it to Google Play. Like this, it says link to Google Play. You might have to search it. Might have to put in quotes like Neon Wolf keyboard, something like that. And then once you do that, it'll show images. Just for example, it'll show images of other apps. None of these are ours, of course, because we don't have it on Google Play yet. But just find yours and then click Select. Okay. Now that's app you publish your app on the Google Play Store. Okay. So basically, we're done. Okay. So let's go back to AppyGen. Okay. And let's save monetization settings. Okay, and there we have it. Now, what we're going to do is run another test just to see if it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and download the APK file using Pushbullet, and I'm going to see you in the next part of the video. Okay, our app is generating. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it, see if it's ready yet. Okay, it's ready. So I'm going to download it and name it. Matter of fact, I may label it Test Monetization 1, something like that, so you know the Admob ads are in it. Okay, then I'm going to put it on Pushbullet and put it on my phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it in. Now, Wolf, I build. Let's just say Admob test. Admob test. All right. Save it. And we're going to use Pushbullet. Okay. And let's go ahead and builds. Admob test right there. Okay. Move it over there, Pushbullet. We're going to download on our phone. And I'll see you in the next part of the video after I test it to see if the ads are running. Now I'm on my phone and we're going to do a test run to see if our ads are running. So let's go to Pushbullet and Admob test. There it is. Okay, download it. Oh, I should have installed the other version that I had. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, and install. And hopefully we will see our ads running and the interstitial ads pop up. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. And there it is. Okay. That's the first interstitial ad right there, Facebook groups. Okay. And let's see if the banners are running. Okay, well, there it is. Good. That's where your money is. So let's go ahead and test that. I'm still waiting to see some banners though. There we go. Okay, and interstitial again. And the banner ads are running. There we go again. Okay, so it doesn't have that placeholder message that we had on the first, the AppyGEN's IDs in there, where it just had the static code. Okay, those are actual ads running. Remember, don't click on your own ads. Never do that. That's the quickest way. Listen, Google it. AdMob is smart. They'll know it. So you click on your own ads, you take a risk on getting your AdMob account shut down and your Google Play account shut down. And we don't want to go through all that. We want to have some $17,000 months. Okay, making money with our apps. So, going to go back to the second part of the video. See you in a minute. Okay, and now we're back, and you obviously seen that our AdMob ads are running. I think they had the Facebook groups ads running. So that's how we set up our AdMob account and put our app IDs inside AppyGEN and so forth, and we're done. So thanks for watching this video. Remember, like, subscribe if you like the training so far. Comment, let me know, and I will promise, well, I'm not going to promise to answer back, but I will try my best to answer back. Okay, so Christopher Wilson signing off. I'll see you in the next video where we'll probably be setting up our Google Play account so we can get our app up and going in the Play Store and making some money. Take care.